Hello there, my art tribe. Come along with me while I make this beautiful art piece on this incredible wood centerpiece that my friend James Payne from James Payne Woodworking made for me. Now in this video, you're going to see me use the Moss Epoxy flag system with the medium hardener and also the tabletop for the last top coat. Now I think as resin artists, we all know that masking tape is our best friend. Now I knew that I was going to use some alcohol ink to decorate the background of this piece, and I didn't want any of the ink to get on the beautiful wood, especially the beige and creamy parts, because it would definitely dye it and I have no idea if I was going to be able to take that off. My favorite alcohol ink products that I use have always been the Jacquard products, and one of my favorite colors is the Sangria, which is this beautiful wine color. I always add a hint of gold. If you guys know me at all, I love my gold. So I either add the rich gold or some of the brass or copper colors. And I use my Seek 1 heat gun, which I've used for a while. This is my second one. I really love it. It has two settings, a lower heat and a higher heat. Works pretty good for me. Now to help my alcohol ink move around and blend, I do use the Ranger Ink alcohol blending solution. Ranger Ink also has incredible alcohol inks if you guys have not tried them out. Now, if you guys want to try any of these alcohol inks, the blending solution or the heat gun, I have added them to my Amazon storefront for you, including these Craft Smart acrylic metallic pens that I am absolutely obsessed with. You can find that link in the description of this video. And here you guys can see as I'm taking off the masking tape how well it worked to protect the wood pieces, specifically obviously in the areas where the alcohol ink came close to the wood. Here I'm mixing my next batch of the flag medium system, and again this is a very fast curing system, which means within a couple of hours I could put my next layer on. Now I use my Mixol that is sold in my shop to make a very translucent top coat on top of the design I just made. And I know what you're thinking, why are you covering up the design you just made? Well, I wanted the background to be very subtle because I'm going to make a beautiful floral woman whimsical design on the top as the main art piece. Now, once I cut my design on my Cricut, I went ahead and added it to my piece and added another flat layer, a very shallow layer of my Moss Epoxy flag medium system. Now, I knew that I wanted to use florals and some shells because that's been my style lately. So I started adding my florals, a little bit of shells, and you'll see in a little bit that I added some blue iridescent crushed shells, which I think brings the whole thing together. So enjoy this beautiful scene coming together. Now, once that layer is set and cured, it's time to add my tabletop to have the clearest and shiniest top coat. You want to make sure that the previous layer is completely cured because you don't want the bottom layer to loosen up from the heat of the top coat and move your florals around. I can't tell you how in love I am with this piece. It turned out even more beautiful than I thought. And guys, you have to see how James Payne from James Payne Woodworking built this incredible piece, so keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I love you guys and thank you so much for the support.